In this video I will show how to create automation to close water in your house when the leakage detected, without any changes in water supply system. AI suggests something like this, but we will create device even more weird than I suggest. This. In the comments below I will leave all links to components needed to create such system. They lead to AliExpress, but you can find them on eBay or Amazon or other marketplaces. What we used to do that. Engine to close the valve in water supply. Two-way wireless relay. Mi Home gateway, which used only one for your smart home, and one or more water leak detectors. This engine has 3 wires. Its power supply is 220 volts. You can see the scheme. We will use dual relay from Aqara. Blue wire we connect together with one of wire coming to electricity, brown we will connect to L1, and dark we will connect to L2. Second electricity wire we will connect to in, and we can test. Turn on the power, press the button, and you can see it turns. And after it turns to 90 degrees, it automatically stops. So we don't need any precision management in our Mi Home application. We turning off this channel and now trying to turn on second channel. You can see it turns back to 90 degrees. A bit slowly, it takes about maybe 20 seconds and again automatically stops. And after that we can turn off the power from our relay. Now let's check how it will work with valve. Connect it, just take it, hold it in hand and turn on the channel. And you can see we open the valve. And now we will try how can we close the water. Now you can see it is open, connected. Unfortunately we cannot fix. Press the button in application to activate wireless relay. It closes the water and automatically stops. And because my valve is not compatible with this device, I mount this to such construction, which will mount it to pipe near the valve. All links I will leave below this video. Thank you for watching.